few questions to go. Your name is Alicia. Go to the methodology. No. Methodology, next slide. Yes, stop here. Next. Where was that equation where you have written next? You have written some equation x of t is equals to where it is? Yeah. What is u of t there?
Sorry?
What is u of t means?
U is the membrane potential at time step t.
Okay. Is it not like a step signal?
Sorry, test step as in discrete?
It may be discrete also.
No, membrane potential is continuous here.
Even step can also be continuous. Do you know step formula, mathematical formula for step signal? If you put instead of SO of t as u of t, the whole equation is known to be step signal.
Okay.
If you remove S out and put u of t, then the whole equation can be written as step signal. This one thing. And what is it u t plus 1 is equals to beta times u of t?
U t plus 1 is the membrane potential of the next time
What
step.
actually membrane potential means?
It's the voltage potential difference of the neuron. So the difference in the
How do you distinguish the potential difference between the two neurons? Neurons. Based upon that only you can write that equation too.
I'm sorry, I didn't follow.
Oh, you didn't understand my question. You are saying that U is a membrane potential. How do you distinguish between two membrane like neuron potentials between two neurons? Because you may consider n neurons, right? How do you distinguish between two?
Okay, is this
And
calculation
correlate the
happens-
same thing with that equation. I'm very fond of equations. I won't see much about theory. I want equation and its mapping.
We did not have to actually do these calculations by hand because it was all inbuilt in SL and Torch.
The good one thing which this is the problem lies in all the students. Do not depend upon the dabba. I consider system is a dabba. Okay, whatever we give it process and gives the output. But until unless we doesn't know the inside what is going inside and who is processing, what is happening and what is coming out is needed.
We did the derivation and everything, but yeah.
See, if you would have not done, you would have skipped this equation.
Yes, yeah.
You would have skipped it. See, generally whatever you did by your own, it should be projected because questions will be based upon your presentation, not on your paper. Because we won't get paper, right? Next, the second question, but concentrate on it. Because putting an equation and saying this, what is theta means?
The threshold value. So
What is the threshold, minimum threshold value?
in this case, it's 1. So whenever the membrane potential is higher than 1,
But it looks like a binary. If it is threshold is 1, maybe your input is 0 and 1. Does it only works for binary or does it works for analog signals also?
the membrane potential is continuous, so it won't just be a 1 or 0.
Then okay, based on more than 1 it will consider.
Yes.
You need to say. Okay. Can you elaborate that equation too?
So U plus 1 is membrane potential of the next time step.
Okay.
And beta decay rate is how the membrane potential gradually decreases on its own, even if there's no spike.
But you have said it as a delay time constant. You have written beta as a delay time constant. Means it is fixed.
Decay time.
Decay time constant, it is fixed. It won't vary according to your
Beta is learnable in our network. So as the loss is backpropagated, the value of beta and the threshold value will change.
Then what would be the range of beta? If it is learnable, there should be a what we call range. Okay, fine. but you should learn. Next question is you talked about some SSN SNN torch model. What is the difference between the CNN model and SNN model, torch model?
CNN.
The next slide. Go to next slide. What is the difference? But it looks like CNN model for the block diagram. It looks like same CNN. It is a 3-layer model. What is the difference between this and that?
In a CNN, you will have a cooling layer.
Okay, here?
Here there is no cooling layer.
Anything else apart from cooling? Do you consider Rayleigh layers in it?
No.
Okay. What you will consider in this model?
The activation function will be different than I'm using Rayleigh.
Can you tell me the activation function for this your model?
That's this equation here.
Where is it?
So the first one.
The first one is an activation model.
It tells us when the spike is in.
Okay. Can you tell me the same model for CNN?
We learned this, but I don't remember it very well.
When you are using the word in your presentation like CNN, you should know both. Okay? Don't feel bad that I'm asking this many questions. Okay? You are in the beginning stage, right? Is it your first presentation?
We've never done an international conference before. Not done a conference.
Okay. Means I didn't get you. You have done already some conference.
We've never done a
Okay.
conference.
You were talking about some database, right? The database. Go to that slide. Yeah, this is one of the oldest data set. That's why you are getting an accuracy of 93.5. Okay, even I have done work on it. Right? Apart from this, you are talking about like extended MNIST fashion. Why you are not achieving the result much in your proposed model? The values, well, can go to the next slide. You have shown some numerical values. Next. Not this. Yeah. Why you are not achieving that much good results in these two models? May I know the reason?
Chemistry got quite high.
Now, this slide in the before methodology, you have used some numerical values. You are showing this, that. Go to the back slide, back. Again, back. Yes. Our contribution are classified. Okay. That means you got 93.72 for your CSNN model. That 93%. How do you got that 93% for what?
For the same model, but using the MS data set. It's actually 94. This slide has it wrong.
Okay. Because my eyesight is very, very sharp. 94. For your, that's C and then torch model, your value. SNN model. Have you compared with CNN model? Is there any comparison between old model and new model?
We have compared our network with the network in the SNN Talks tutorials. We have not compared with the CNN.
Okay. What is the changes you have done in your model apart from the tutorial?
The architecture is completely different, so we made it.
Okay, your architecture was based upon the values you have written 10,000, some n is equals to 1,000, something you have written.
In the tutorial, it was only one hidden layer with 1,000 neurons.
Okay.
Ours is we have PCR, TRN, and I 3 layers with different.
You concentrating much on an eye diagram, something you have shown, eye pattern, something.
That was to explain the related with how brains and
Okay, this is your supervisor's own model, which was published in 2017. You are using it, and you are using this model for your SNN torch model. Okay, next over to you question. Okay, your name is Prabhu. You were talking about some noise addition. Okay, which kind of a noise you have added?
Poison.
Poison noise. What was the formula for poison noise?
I can show, I have it on another slide.
No, I'm asking you. Not to show, you should know, no? What are the different types of noise available?
Periodic, Poisson.
The basic noise you are missing, salt and pepper noise.
Addition to the image.
Addition to, yeah, of course, sir. Noise can be added to the image and your target is to remove that noise or reduce that noise. No? Okay. Why you have to take only poison noise? Why not salt and pepper?
That can be part of our future scope. We will not.
See, the question is the basic noise is salt and pepper. You would have test for the salt and pepper followed by the poison. Okay.
So our supervisor, Basapita, she said that the noise that we receive via the eye is very similar to poison noise, so it would be potential testing.
Is there any evidence?
We're not sure.
You should see whatever the guide says is true. First, you should also evaluate it whether it is true or not. And you are talking about a to the power of 5 iterate. A iterate. What was the formula? 5 plus 5 plus something you have written.
5 divided by 5 plus square theta.
What does it mean?
It's just the total number correctly classified divided by total classified.
What is the success ratio of that formula? What is the accuracy or success of that value?
Sorry, I'm not sure what it is.
I didn't get it.
I'm not sure what it means.
I didn't get it.
Success ratio.
Success ratio means have you got 90% or 100% accuracy by using that formula for all your inputs? Go to that slide. The formula. Next. Back. Yeah. Based upon that one, you got this values. Okay. Have you not reached it to 80 or 90%? Why only 75? The reason?
For fashion and this.
Whatever it might be, fashion and noisy and non-noisy. Why you have not achieved? There should be some conclusion, right? What is
It's
it?
slightly more complex in comparison. So we've noticed that the increase in complexity is dropping.
For how many images you took this one? 70,000 images. For the first try, this would be the answer. What is that line signifies? Try one means how many images you took? For try one, and how you got 94.84? Is it for this one image or is it for 70,000 images?
We trained on all the images. There was a train test bit, so 70% of 70,000 was trained on, and then tested on.
What is this trial? 1, 2, 3. Is it a number or else? What is the trial?
So we just ran it like 4 times to get an average value.
Okay, based upon that 70,000 images.
Yes.
Okay, next. Go to the figure slide here. So it's showing some spikes. Image 0 and image 1. What is the not this last slides? Next page. Yeah, I'm talking about this. What is this value means? You're talking probably you were talking about this pink color line, which is of image file label 0. Means the image is number 5 with the label 0. What does it mean?
Image is 0.
Okay.
It's just the number 5, the fifth image out of 70
Okay.
The fifth image, which is the handwritten digit 0.
Okay. Have you worked on this in your Python or else in MATLAB?
Python.
Okay. What is the syntax for this figure?
We wrote the code for it, but I'm not sure.
And one or two last questions. Okay, by using that in the tutorial, you have gained the knowledge. Do you got a sample code for this and you have modified accordingly to your requirements? Or have you written all this from start to the end?
The few blocks of codes we could use from.
Okay, this block is also be implemented.
This block we
You
Data
have used.
visualization is our own, and the forward pass of the networks of passing the images and
have
data.
ICETCI calculation is also.
Because even in a presentation you have mentioned paper with a code. Okay, in this you have given a line also. Fine. That's why I got it out. That means you got some basic code, you have modified it. Okay, and the one problem what I have observed is that there can be a better clarification about this figures. This next may not come in. Okay, some more slight modifications can be done while you are saying. When I was hearing from Prabhu, I was just checking what is the pink line which is excited. You are telling something excitation is high for this. I'm just correlating. Okay, next step. This is your BTech project. Okay, and is it mandatory to in your college that you should go to some other institute to do the project, or else you can do in-house?
No, research projects are not common in our college. Like, we are one of the first ones who do a research project.
Okay, you're the first candidate who went out and done this project. How much time duration of this project? Is it how many months?
Over a year.
Oh, you took over a year. Then how do you manage your classwork and as well as this project?
Somehow.
Guys, because I am also a faculty, I can know the pains of the students. Managing both is not everyone's cup of tea.
We have to be absent on some days, like I miss classes to go to build.
Nice. It was a good presentation, and my suggestion is whenever you go for the next presentation, you should be very good at math.
Okay.
Because engineering without math, there is no engineering. Not even engineering, chemistry, physics, total science is shunya without maths. Thank you.